Hello everybody, hi to all, and today randoms lock in my life and mini lock Monday together. This is nice A-Bus titanium mini lock. I take him yesterday from locksmith service, and this was for sale, but this lock not was in the box, and this lock have little points what no for sale this not good. So if not this for sale not good, this is very nice for my collection. Yes, cutting of high of pins I show like we love, and we try to open him now. Paracentric K-away, but I think will more easy to open him. Now we try. We see, yes. 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, third not picked full, 5, and just a moment, first, second, third, okay, and 4. No, come on. No. Nice. And first I touch with how to say, with with steel this place, not nose of hook. So we open him, but sometimes this take more time, sometimes little. I open him, not to one opening, not two, maybe 10, maybe 20. I don't know. I not make how I open him, but I open him for training little. Yes, for make video. This is not every time, so yes, so very good lock for him, for his price, and for mini lock. I don't know, nice. I happy to have this lock. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.